Kadbak NPP kala nang Pynkhreh na kebenta ke Gambegre by election ha kepa ke Kurim jong menteri rangba ke jela kala apau hakmat kebala banjo ke parti tiket Henry keseng kongres kebala don ke jingshenia ke baskam kebala penpau ke parti ke ong bahkan penyang ye u ne ke Kyrtong ha Gambegre u babiang. Kane kalami hadin baka National People's Party NPP kamshim lapan pau setia ke Kyrtong ke Kurim menteri rangba u Conrad Sangma kami tap candi kum ke Kyrtong ke parti. Kami Meghalaya Congress Working President ka Deborah Marak hakasngi palai kalaong bakam dan mon ban yakun napo ke Gambegre by election na bakam day na Kyrtong district.
See, we have a party ideology procedure. Definitely, we will follow the party procedure. Okay. When time comes, we will ask. We will invite applications and all. So whoever wants to apply, they can apply. In democracy, we will not depend on one candidate or two candidates. Whoever wants to contest, they can apply. That's it. So far till now, we have not decided anybody's name. No. I am not interested to contest because I am not from that district. If we will have a very good candidate. Don't worry for that. See, the dynamics of politics is different. Okay. I cannot say 100% yes, Congress will win. But when we fight to win. Definitely, people are still with Sangma in that particular constituency. Mr. Sangma is a fourth timer and one MDC. So that natural affinity, towards Mr. Saleng is always there. And people from Gambegre, they are looking up to him only. Whoever contests, people from there, they will vote for Saleng's personality and for his image. No, how they are thinking, which way they will go, that's what I have said. The dynamics of politics always different. But as a party, definitely we have to work hard in that constituency. We should not be over, what is called confident, So definitely for this MLA election also, by election also, as a team, all of us, we have to work hard and work together. No. Why should I say major setback? Election yet to come. And we should never say we will fail. Definitely, we will work hard. Make sure this election we win.